up for your right. Get up, stand up.
Don't breed or buy while shelter pets die. Don't breed or buy while shelter pets die. You must understand. The blood is on your hands. I will be held in a cage for my entire life.
I am the mother of the pet store puppies. There are thousands of dogs like me being held as prisoners of greed.
I will be held in a cage for my entire life.
My feet will never walk on grass.
Puppy Stars USA, boycott! Puppy Stars!
Boycott!
Puppy Stars!
Boycott!
I say Puppy Stars USA, cruelty! Puppy Stars!
Cruelty!
Puppy Stars! Shame! Shame! Shame on Puppy Stars!
I will only get enough food and water to stay alive. My puppies will be taken away from me too young. I will mourn for them.
I will be held in a cage for my entire life.
My puppies will be sold, but many will die or end up in shelters and euthanized because there are no homes for them. 10,000 dogs are killed every day.
All your lives, we will never compromise.
Stand up for your rights.
I will suffer through the cold in the winter and the heat in the summer. I will live my life dirty, neglected, and abused.
I will be held in a cage for my entire life.
I will be bred again and again until my body can take no more.
Shame! Shame! Shame on Puppy Stars!
1, 2, 3, 4. Open up the cage doors. 5, 6, 7, 8. Set them free, liberate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open up the cage doors. I will either die in this cage or go crazy from loneliness or be killed by the kennel owners. That's the perfect store.
Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Don't give it up, don't give it up. Get up, stand up. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight.
You will understand. The blood is on your hands. All your torture, all your lies. We will never compromise. Shame, shame on Puppy Stars.
Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Stand up